Chopping vegetables doesn't have to be boring or take a long time. All you need is the right tool, a sharp knife that's made for cutting vegetables, like this one. This is called a sanduko. It's long with a wide base and ridges. You can get them for about $12 at Walmart. Now, if you're used to using the wrong knife, you may find yourself with the knife in the air, chopping each piece individually, using a lot of energy and taking a lot of time. But with the right knife, you put the tip down on the board, put the vegetable close to the base, it gives you power and control, and then keeping that tip down, you just want to rock the knife back and forth and chop those vegetables continuously. Slow at first till you get used to it, and then before you know it, you'll be a chopping pro. So you can slice, you can chop, you can even dice with this knife in no time. And you know, I find it kind of relaxing after a long, stressful day. So give it a try and let me know how it goes.